What's up, guys? It's Nerdmoy Studios. Man, I'm bad at that. But we're back with another video.
I was like, man, I'm bad at that.
Man, I'm bad at this. Yeah, you can do it. You can do it. Yeah, you can do it.
Good job, Nick. Good job, Jabin. Today we are playing Destroy the Giant Noob.
That's a game.
Yeah, it is. It's a very weird game too. Machos.
Muchos nachos.
Hey,
Muchos nachos. Bro,
yeah, never mind. He's not gonna play.
big shield around me. I think everybody already did the work. Well, what did you get?
Hey, move.
Oh, I already
Hey, don't stand still.
Okay.
Boo! Bye. Have a nice day.
Still alive.
What game are you guys playing?
Destroy the Giant Noob.
Are you being serious? That's it.
Yes, that's actually a game.
I thought you guys were playing her.
I am.
Regening the noob. Why does this almost fall off?
Dude, I can't get up.
Jump.
Help! He's fallen and he can't get up!
That's true. We can do that. Are you on the orange team or blue team? So basically, what you do is you're trying to destroy the giant noob.
Oh, by the way, I'm Slade. I did not just do that, did I? I just did that. Okay.
What did you do?
I just missiled myself and went
Destroy
across
the eye.
and
See if that hits his eye. Really, see if that hits his. Oh, it did. Goodbye, eye.
and I hit myself with a missile. No, it flung me around the map.
This one
And then
I'm on blue. I'm on orange. And that blew me up into the water. So I placed a bomb down. It went on my head, and then I flew into the water. So yeah. Yo. How? This doesn't even look like Nerf.
No one cares.
This looks nothing like Nerf. Oh,
I
want to do this.
Getting them the organs.
No, we are in the same game.
Stop.
I didn't do anything.
Yeah, you did, Wyatt.
How do you make this how do you make this thing go off?
Hold on. Just tap it.
Oh. Make that send you a friend request. Can't get it. Wait. Oh, I can't. Because right now.
Oh, it's fallen and can't go.
Here, I'll send you. There you go.
Wow. Okay, I think it's time I upgrade.
Oh, maybe it's on me.
It's time I upgrade. It's time I upgrade. It's time I upgrade. How many is there?
Well, his
40,000.
right, his left leg doesn't follow. He's gonna destroy you. Gio, I see you. I want to think. At least it's almost. Can I do something else? Headshot, no scope.
I think you guys should go back to playing the left game.
What, in Roblox or real life?
Roblox.
I'm playing right now.
Or in real life.
Yeah, that would be fun too. Can we play in real life? Oh, it's in it.
Get inside. Yes, I'm inside it.
Wait, I will find you.
I'm inside.
Oh. Right
I spawned inside.
Spawned it?
I spawned it in.
Spawned it. This
It's
guy's.
a TV. And that one. The middle one's okay.
That one just doesn't have a video.
What?
Ah!
Who's destroying it?
I did.
Did you feel it?
I did.
Brian, I'm gonna stand right here and let it stop. How'd you get up there?
Climb.
Actually, pretty easy.
It's just so laggy.
Why don't you unlag it?
No. How do you spawn inside? Why don't I just place a bomb?
It's well, the noob spawned inside me. The noob spawned where I was at.
You have very little control over where you spawn.
Dang it! So close. But I can still already get in there.
Why don't you just place a bomb inside?
I got a black hole. It's better.
Ooh. That looks like a cool shark.
I'm gonna leave this and do something else.
Does that really look like a dolphin?
How do you
That looks
upgrade
like a
things?
dolphin. You need help.
Goodbye, noob. Is he gonna fall in the water? He's gonna. Oh, so close.
Well, make him fall in the water. Fall in the water. I'm making him fall in the water.
Hello. Hey, Nathan, where are you?
I'm shooting this.
See you.
Shoot the bottom.
I see you.
The head.
What the heck just happened to you?
The hyper fire.
It's a flower.
I fell over. It's a flower.
Oh, that's kind of cool. Well, I didn't think it was going to be a flower, and then all of a sudden, oh, okay. Sorry. It's a flower.
I always
We
stay.
get that.
Flower.
I usually stay in
Oh,
my
hi,
room.
Slade.
Hi.
You guys fine.
Place the bomb.
I'm play. Well,
I placed the black hole.
Slade and Nathan are
Ah!
playing Destroy the Giant Noob. I'm playing Nerf, and so hey Gio, what is that? Is that the 7 scope?
Yeah.
How much is it?
600.
600. Oh, about. I'm still a little way to go. Is it good?
Yeah.
Good snipe people.
Or another people. Yeah.
Well, yeah, but these
Lock
these
up.
things you aim right at people. How does that people get 3? How do they get 3 people? And they're not even them, and they're holding. It's like,
Place
how much do I have?
place them on their legs so the noob
So, yeah.
falls.
About
Oh, yeah.
200.
Do that.
guy never expects it.
Sorry, I meant to shoot at the wall, but you use your black hole.
boy.
And it's not
Headshot.
you.
Headshot.
What are the perks?
Bro, how did I not hit them?
I have some of the books in that game.
Wait, what are they?
Boom.
What are the perks?
I'm on the head. Bye, head. Yeah, okay.
Hey, not nice.
Come on, tilt over. Move what's ever blocking it.
Oh, got him.
Mr. Flash, what?
What do the perks even do, Slim?
Like effects.
Oh, I think it's perfect.
Look, this is gonna be the end of this video. I hope you liked it, and we do. If you did not know, we do have an Instagram account, same as our YouTube name. I hope you liked the video, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.